Title: How researchers can analyze data using Claude. No coding needed. Many researchers are afraid of data analysis because they think they must know R, Python, or advanced statistics. But today, AI tools like Claude can help you analyze your data step by step, even if you have no coding skills. Step 1. Prepare your data in Excel. Make sure each column has a clear name, such as treatment, replication, yield, biomass, nitrogen rate, or irrigation level. Step 2. Upload your Excel or CSV file to Claude. Then simply ask, "Please check my data structure and tell me what statistical analysis is suitable." Step 3. Ask Claude to suggest the right model. For example, I have yield data from different treatments and replications. Should I use ANOVA, regression, or both? Step 4. Run ANOVA easily. You can ask, "Please conduct ANOVA for yield using treatment as the main factor and explain the result in simple language." Claude can help you understand whether treatments are significantly different. Step 5. Ask for mean comparison. For example, "Please compare treatment means using Tukey test and summarize the result in a publication-friendly table." Step 6. Run linear regression. You can ask, "Please analyze the relationship between nitrogen rate and yield using linear regression and explain the slope, R-squared, and p-value." Step 7. Ask Claude to make publication-ready outputs. For example, "Please prepare a clean table and figure caption suitable for a research paper." The most important thing is this: you do not need to be a coding expert to start analyzing your research data. You only need clean data, clear questions, and the confidence to ask Claude step by step. AI will not replace researchers, but researchers who use AI will move faster, analyze better, and publish with more confidence.